So, let's continue with dictation. Sino ba dito ang ano? I hope nakapag-experience na kayo ng dictation class. Nakapag Miss Donna, nakapag-try ka na ba ng dictation class? Ha?
Ano ba na, ma'am?
Ang mag-dictation. I-dictate sa teacher. Try na.
Wala.
Dudugay na, di ba? Nakatry ka na sini.
Nakatry na siguro, ma'am, pero hindi ko ma-remember ba kung...
So, sige, ano ko to, discuss ko. So, dictation is what we call the process of writing down what someone else has said. So,
Oo, ma'am.
para sa akin, for example, sa ating dalawa, kung ano yung sinasabi ko, some of it is, bawa, iba yung classmate is, sinusulat yung sinasabi ko. Diba? Just to take, parang taking of notes.
Oo,
Diba?
ma'am.
So, parang taking down of notes siya. So, with young children, dictation offers a way for a parent to write the child's thoughts or ideas when writing demands and surpasses the writing skills. So, ito naman siya is, dictation also provides a chance for an adult to model many writing behaviors, including handwriting, matching sounds to letters, spell words, and sentence formation. Ito siya. Pag nagde-dictate kasi, for example, I'm talking, di ba, ngayon?
Oo, ma'am.
Nagsasalita ako ngayon. Halimbawa, marami kayo sa klase. If hindi ka magaling sa dictation, do you think you could take notes? Hindi, di ba? Hindi mo talaga take notes kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko. Then, if you could not take notes, do you think may pag-aaralan ka?
Wala, ma'am.
Wala, di ba? So, it also helps kasi dictation helps everyone to make their handwriting parang maka-learn sila paano yung handwriting nila, paano i-enhance. Then, good spelling, matching sounds to letters to spell words. For example, ano man itong sinasabi ko, para bang may sinusulat na kayong keywords, but because not all of you are very good with dictation naman, hindi naman sinasabi dito na every time na may i-dictate ako, isusulat nyo, di ba? Hindi naman kayo court stenographer na lahat ng sinasabi ko ay, nire-record nyo. And it would also help you for your, sentence formation. So why use dictation? It allows students to watch an adult to write using many conventions of writing, such as letter formation, punctuation, and spacing between words or more. Diba? Pag nagkakaroon ng dictation, ikaw na nakikinig ng sinusulat, ikaw na nakikinig, ikaw mismo ang nagde-decide kung ano yung mga words na isusulat, diba? Yung punctuation, saan ilalagay, and yung spaces ng word. Teachers can model listen to sound and writing the associate letters. So, parang spelling na rin ito. And it allows us to model that speech can be written down and read back. So, i-upload ko lang itong activity na ito. Huwag nyo lang itong anuhin. So, ito rin. Okay na siya. So, differentiated instruction. So, these are the activities. So, teachers ito siyang problema. Kasi, not all dictations are good for everyone. The teacher should also take in consideration the children's ability. Kasi, hindi naman lahat ay magaling. Not all students are good with dictation. Because some of our students would what? Some of our students would struggle with dictation. So number one, it should be taken in consideration that teachers should vary their expectation for the length of dictation based on the child's language or age. Kasi, alam nga naman, maggawa ka ng dictation activity, yung estudyante mo ay 5 years old. Do you think you could make a spelling activity sa 5 years old? Okay, class, spell bata. Do you think ang 5 years old makakapagsulat ng word na bata? Hindi, di ba? So, we say, okay, class, write the letter A. Yun lang yun. Write the letter S. For 5 years old, please take into consideration the child's language and age. Next, strategies such as this enables you from cultures to bring different experience into classroom share. Sharing dictation through whatever which will experience will enrich the student's experience. So after you take consideration kung sa anong background nila, maybe you could do a group activity, diversified group activity kasi pag there's diversified group activity, it would help your student to interact with other students. Kasi nga, di ba, katulad sa inyo, if you go to school, you have, pag mag-groupings kayo, di ba, iba-iba naman yung listening capabilities ninyo. Kaya, iba-iba din yung masishare nyo during dictation. So, uy, sabi ni ma'am ganito, sabi ni ma'am ganon. Ay, hindi, sabi niya dito, ganyan, ganyan, di ba? So, dictation with the whole group in the form of class story may be served as to familiarize student with the strategy. So, share lang. Kasi, minsan kasi, hindi mo masasabi na lahat ng estudyante mo nakikinig because some of your student would not listen.